guys, another day, another unboxing, brand new. Ayan si Sir, dalawa pa yan sila. Unboxing brand new iPhone 15 Plus 128GB. Ayan, via Black Titanium, sir. I-unbox mo na yan. Yan po sila, sir, is nagbablog po sila. Tama, sir? Ayan, follow nyo po yung vlog nila, sir. Ano yung pangalan ng vlog?
Erano, vlog ko to.
Ayun, Erano vlog ko to. Follow nyo po sila, guys.
Pa-mention na lang si Sir.
Pa-mention po. Dito, edit ko ng mention.
Okay na, okay na.
Yes, sir. Sir, ano lang siya dito, tapos dito mag-try. Sila, sir, simula pa lang mo, pero panalo yung vlog nila. Yes. Nakafollow din tayo dun, guys.
Pa-follow na rin po sa kanila, Sir.
Yes, please follow.
Mag-walk in lang yan sila, Sir.
Oo, napadaan lang yan sila. Wow. Sheesh. Ang
For
ganda
vlogging,
talaga.
guys.
Maganda yung magandang pang-investment yan. Kasi yung quality ng camera. Uy, magaling na si Sir mag-unbox.
Marunong talaga si Sir.
Content creator talaga yung atake
We
eh.
have brand new
iPhone
iPhone 15 Plus with the cable.
Yes.
What else I have here?
Yung one-one.
Ano, signature.
And then, kami na rin lang yung magbibigay kay Sir na adapter
So,
niya.
thank you for the new
Oh, yan. Oh, from Dasmariñas kami, di pa sila sir. Dinayo pa tayo, kaya pala brand new talaga, no?
Videographer, sir.
Ayun, yan kanya po yan.
This is my videographer,
Yes.
editor,
Oh, editor.
siya yung aking
Siya lahat na.
siya lahat. Ano na ako, artist lang.
Oh,
Yes.
artist. Kayo mas content. Anyway, sir, thank you so much po, sir.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
So how to open this?